I guess we're playing Temple Run. Bye-bye. Your head. Maybe run away.
I wanna run away. Uh-oh, I wanna do this way. Whoa.
Wait. I just step on it. No damage. No damage. No. That's how it works. That's how science works.
Oh, damn.
Safe for the speeders.
Uh-oh. I'm not gonna be cooked, bro. Bro, I'm cooked.
I'm cooked as well.
Uh-oh, bye, Jerome.
What the? Uh-oh. I was I'm a little bit.
You almost.
I'm gonna die. Not today. I'm expecting your voice like a your voice is like peanut butter.
Yeah. What is
this? Lol. He lost. Lol. Don't slow. If you slow, you will die. If you get, you'll die.
Bro, what the are you saying?
Yes, that's true. Oh! Bro, you just shot You're cheating. You're winning.
Hell no, I'm stuck. Oh, hell no.
Haha, I won.
How did you just survive me like that?
My butt cheek. Guys, who wants 10
I just wanna go home
subscribers
and watch my favorite song, Lonely.
I wanna go home. I wanna eat my chicken again.
I wanna poker again. I'm sick, bro.
I wanna go home. I wanna watch some cool videos of us. I wanna run away. What is rocking? My butt cheek.
Bye guys, I died. Oh.
How did you die?
Oh. Because I died. There's my hair.
No! This way. No! I wanna reach the end. I wanna reach the end, guys.
Hey,
Wait, what if we came to the end? We can get more winners. So,
are you serious with me?
guys, you gotta be careful. No. What the flip? I did.
Do you mean I died?
Yes, I'm dead.
What do you mean then?
Yeah, I did. I'm in spectating mode. Oh, you're on your flying, bro. I'm the sky. What is that sound? No! Wait, what is that? Can I do a part of that thingy? Is there a
Don't
ending?
die, please, guys! Don't die!
Okay, guys. Oh, your jack is big.
Out. This goes out. Big out.
Get away! Get away!
I did it. What? I'm not here. Oh no!
No, not
die.
Uh-oh!
Okay. Sali? Kalapatan?
Okay, guys, let's go play again.
Let's go.
Wait, is that very? Did I do very? Where?
Ala ba?
Ah, what
are you? You're not controlling your stuff. You're stupid.
No, I'm smart.
Yeah, I'm taking back.
Haha, I have 165 versus you. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look, see? He's smarter than me.
Where?
Yes, you
in real life. Oh, crap.
Told you I put up in like you.
Bago.
Hell no.
Oh my God, my bet. Oh, my ball. Ayun. Sir, I saw a big ball slide. What the? I just want some rubber.
I just want some money.
I just miss my...
Speed up.
I miss my favorite song.
What's your favorite song?
Your favorite song is...
No, it's a different.
My favorite song is Dr. Stone. Guys, watch Goobers. Are you watching Goobers? If you're watching those, subscribe those YouTubers. Because, I like furry. Yes, I'm doing it. Oh, did I die? What if we come to the top? What will happen?
I just get a glitch.
I wanna like you.
Shut up.
You're the parade.
You have 0 IQ.
I have 165 IQ. You're dumb.
Shut up.
Hey, you're dumb, girlie. My head is so bigger than yours, bro. Like, come on.
Yeah, just like a big fat cow.
Yeah, I was coming up the mic. I died.
Kidnap? Kidnap nila.
I know this. No. I want to go to the end. No. Yay, he went down there. Yay. Oh, what is this? No, this is a parkour. It's eating up. It's eating up. Guys, help. You need to revive me. If you don't give me the toilet.
What?
Yeah, revive me. Revive me. I said revive me. You just can't revive me. You didn't revive me. You just killed me. Oh, wait. Yes, then the revive me. You just killed me like a dust trail. Hey, yo, what the flip? I set up a toothpen. Ouch. Hey, Pro Gamer here. Oh, flip! Thanks, Pro Gamer. I died! Pro Gamer. I died because I said Jack.
Oh, it's a real.
I'm Pro Gamer. Oh, no. What the hell?
I wanna die.
Oh, dear. I told you. You're at the parade.
My eye hurts. My eye hurts really bad.
I'm a nerd guy with smart brain.
Shut up. Because you have a big cow head.
Hey, guys, shut up! You only like you guys big up. We're like, come on.
Nah, I only love Abby. Saja.
Who's fucking taking numbers? Gino.
I love Saja boy.
I love
Baby
Saja.
I love Abby more.
Oh, which means I already... Oh, Gino.
I only love Abby because he's that's your crush, boy.
Oh, so I know what's that, guys. Don't tell it.
That's your crush.
Guys, don't tell it. Guys, don't tell it at the comments, guys, because you already know why he likes Abby.
No. You already know what. That's why I love Abby.
Because you already know. Say it now. Just joking. Guys, don't say it at the comments. Finally. Wait, Jack.
Oh no, I saw.
That's not your Jack. That's not it. Nagalaro sila. May pause ka na, Guys, I died.
Ha? That's what you deserve. Because you're ugly, man.
Oh my God.
It's cowhead.
You're nerd. Who likes Huntress? Raise your hand. You're nerd. Put a raise hand. You're nerd. Who likes Baby Sandra? Put a raise hand emoji or Huntress. What are you talking about, bro? Shape of this Huntress. That's your Sandra. Yeah, that's your Sandra. Your daddy can slap you in the butt.
Yeah, your daddy can slap you in the face.
I don't have a daddy, you stupid.
So your mom is a widow?
Are you stupid or something? I have a stepfather. Yeah. Why you have a stepmother?
I said stepfather, not stepfather.
You just because when my mom had a stepfather, when I have a stepfather, oh no, I'm gonna kill my stepfather.
Your stepfather gonna give you anything, whatever you want.
No,
Like mine. Oh.
I hate my stepfather. When
guys
because my dad said when I What did you just fart?
I didn't fart. Guys, tell me in the comments below.
He said, what's that?
That's just a fart sound, guys.
No, that's
Okay, that's easily Jeron, guys.
so. Are you serious?
Oh, my face is laughing. Who likes Baby Sandra?
No one.
Hey, raise your hand, guys. Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, guys, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. I just wanna die. Bye.
Ah.